thunder when I finally hit the bed. Said you count my growls like sheep. While you're praying, I'll stop instead. You filmed me on your cell phone, showed the whole church crowd next day. Preacher said, son, that ain't sleep, that's a diesel on the interstate. I'm roaring while snoring, shaking these old floorboards loose. Windows rattling, dogtail patting, even woke the neighbor's rooster too. You say it's hard to love me when the whole house sounds like a zoo. But I'm roaring while snoring, 'cause I dream too loud for two. You bought those fancy gadgets, straps and strips and fancy foam. I just drooled right through them, still shook every frame in our home. Last night you packed a suitcase, headed for the living room. Yeah, if I wanted a chainsaw solo, I'd marry a lumber crew. I'm roaring while snoring, shaking these old floorboards loose. Windows rattling, dogtail patting, even woke the neighbor's rooster too. You say it's hard to love me when the whole house sounds like a zoo. But I'm roaring while snoring, 'cause I dream too loud for two. Doc said, cut down late night chili. Mama said, boy, sleep on your side. But when I drift off on that pillow, it's like a tractor pull inside. So grab them earplugs, baby, and hold on tight to moan. 'Cause when this engine's idling, you're riding out the storm. I'm roaring while snoring, shaking these old floorboards loose. Windows rattling, dogtail patting, even woke the neighbor's rooster too. You say it's hard to love me when the whole house sounds like a zoo. But I'm roaring while snoring, 'cause I dream too loud for two.